Amethyst crystals are like a warm hug for your soul. Known for their calming and soothing energy, they're perfect for reducing stress and anxiety. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed or just need a little relaxation, Amethyst is here to help. Amethyst is also believed to promote clarity and intuition, helping you make better decisions and trust your instincts. And as a bonus, it's said to help with addiction and compulsive behaviors, giving you the strength to break free from negative patterns. So how can you begin to use Amethyst to boost your well-being? Try placing one under your pillow for a restful night's sleep, or wear it as jewelry to keep its calming energy close. You can even meditate with an amethyst to connect with its peaceful vibes. Amethyst is like a gentle reminder that you're strong, capable, and deserving of peace. So go ahead and give it a try. Your mind, body, and soul will thank you.